Right, so in this video, I'm going to explain the correct answers to the exit ticket, just like I do in class. If you watch this and then understand, awesome. If you watch this and are still confused, you may email me and ask me the question you're confused about, or head back to the lesson 4 slideshow and rewatch a Khan Academy video or something to make this stuff make more sense to you. Okay, so the first question says, what is the same about these two circles and what is different? Well, one thing I noticed is that in the first circle, the radius is labeled, and in the second circle, the diameter is labeled. So, oh, I already wrote this. That's the first thing I'm going to write. The first circle has the radius labeled. The second circle has the diameter labeled. Now let's think about what's the same. So if I look at the second circle, I notice that the diameter is 8, but remember that the radius is half of the diameter. So if I actually labeled the radius, it would be 4, which is the same as the radius in the first circle. So what is the same is they actually have the same radius and the circles are the same size. These circles are the same, they just have different parts labeled. Okay, what is the length of line AD? How do you know? Well, line AD is here. And I can see that AD is a radius because it goes from the center to the edge. I already know that the radius is 4. And because all circles have the same, they only have one radius. If this radius is 4, that radius is 4. So I'm going to write 4 centimeters because AD is a radius and the length of the radius is 4 centimeters. And circles only have one radius. Okay. On the first segment, that should say circle. On the first circle, which line segment is the diameter and how long is it? Well, remember that the diameter is the length all the way across the circle that goes through the center. So line EB is the radius, is the diameter. And we know that it's made up of 2 radiuses that are both 4 centimeters long. So in total, it is 8 centimeters long. Okay, so I'm going to write this here. The segment segment BB is the diameter, and it is 8 centimeters long. And then I put in my name and I self-assess, but that's it. So if that makes sense, awesome, move on. If you're still confused, go back to the slideshow and try another learn option to really figure out what radius is and what a diameter is.